Bright, fresh, and perfect for summer. Today we are crocheting this adorable lemon coaster, and I'll show you an easy invisible drawing that gives every round a clean and seamless finish. Let's get started. Start with the magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers and make a magic ring. Insert your hook, pull up a loop and chain one. And the ring is ready. Now make one single crochet and 9 half double crochets into the ring. Pull the tail to close the ring. To finish every round, we'll use an invisible join. Gently pull up the working loop and remove your hook. Skip the first single crochet. Insert the hook from the back into the first half double crochet. Grab the working loop and pull it through to the back. Now we are ready for round 2. Start in the same stitch with one single crochet and one half double crochet. Then make half double crochet increase in every stitch around. That means you'll crochet 2 half double crochets in every stitch. At the end of the round you'll have 20 stitches. Finish with invisible join. Pull up the loop, skip the first single crochet, insert the hook into the first half double crochet from the back and pull the loop through. For round 3, in the same stitch make one single crochet. In the next stitch, make a half double crochet increase. Now repeat 1 half double crochet followed by 1 half double crochet increase all the way around. You will finish with 30 stitches. Complete the round using the invisible join. Round 4, start with 1 single crochet, then make 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch make a half double crochet increase. Continue repeating 2 half double crochets followed by 1 half double crochet increase all the way around. You will have 40 stitches when the round is complete. finish with the invisible join. Now change to cream or white yarn. I'm using cream shade because it's easier to see on camera. For round 5, work 1 single crochet into each of the first 3 stitches. 2 and 3, then make 1 single crochet increase. Repeat this pattern all the way around. You will finish with 50 stitches. Complete the round with the invisible join. Switch back to the yellow yarn. Round 6, start with 1 single crochet, then work 1 half double crochet into each of the next 23 stitches. In the next stitch, work 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet. In the following stitch, work 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, and 1 more double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. Finish the round with 1 half double crochet in each of the remaining 23 stitches. Complete the round using the invisible join. Round 7. Work 1 slip stitch into every stitch around. Change to green yarn into the last stitch. Let's make the stem first. Chain 5, turn your work and work into the back bumps. Skip the first chain, make 1 single crochet into each chain. You will have 4 single crochets. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch of the coaster. Without cutting the yarn, continue with the leaf. Chain 9, skip the first chain, starting in the second chain work 1 slip stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, 1 half double crochet in the next, and 1 single crochet in the last. Chain 1, now continue along the other side of the chain. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and finish with a slip stitch. Leave a tail for sewing and fasten off. Sew the tail onto the coaster with a few small stitches. I also embroidered 2 tiny seats near the bottom, but that's completely optional. Hide all the yarn tails with a yarn needle. And your lemon coaster is finished. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. If you enjoyed making this lemon coaster, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cozy crochet tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!